Yes.
Uy, di rin na. Kung ginawa mo kung makakapay magkakili. Ija-jali pinalito na ako.
Ay, nagpag ako Jollibee nila ba? Kaya kami nga nila. Kolong na.
Tara na ako. Hindi na Jollibee.
Hindi, masan ito ito. Masan ito Hindi naman dito.
As kami kita sa bahay.
This is Davey and Donna Bell. Peñata, Peñata, Montana! Thank you so much. Welcome, Davey and Donna Bell, to your celebration. And everyone, please remain standing. Tugtog kita alayon, tugtog kita alayon. And please raise your thumbs up. We will do this for Davey and Donna Bell. Raise your thumbs up, everybody. First, by raising your thumbs up, we will agree to two things. One is we'll agree to love them, to support them, to respect them, and to pray for them. Yes or no lang? Will you all agree? Yes! And since you all agree to love them, please raise your thumbs up. Then we will also agree na di rin tayo mauli human at pag-iklog. At tawaray. Wala na bisita ni Ronia. Iba mong uli naman. Alright. Yes or no? Will you all agree? Yes! Are you sure? Yes! Okay, put your heads down. Davey and Donna Bell, 18 years of togetherness, that we want to see 18 seconds of kiss. Kaya nyo yan. Hey baby, pakibantay ko kaling yan baby. Ayaw na tagbantay. Thank you. Okay, it's okay baby, it's okay. Alright. Davey, Donna Bell, dedica area please. And face us here. You may face right here. And let's do the 18-second kiss. And we will count together. 3, 2, 1 and kiss. Let's count together. 18, 17, 16, 17, 18, 13, 12, 11, 10. Kayang-kaya. 18 seconds today, 18 seconds, 18 hours, improve to umprove. Ano pagpakan, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much. Everyone, you may now take your seats, please. Except for the couple, nagkauban nato.
Kani, babasyan na, kani. Matagayo nila. Kayo da, mga to na di. Makuha na lang. Lagi, tatagayan niya.
Nakita mo?
Pwede baso. Pwede baso. Kani. Daba, kanino. Ito, kanino baso, daba. Kani.